They be like, smooth. What? Can you teach me how to get it? All I need is a beat that's super pumping. And for you to back it up and dump it. Get it.
Eros, that is still a little shy, is long and slender, short-haired.
So yesterday my dad was telling me that sometimes when he's bored, he likes to go over to PetSmart and look at the cats, which is really cute. We are the definition of a cat family. We've had cats.
Oh, look at that handsome boy. Kissy teeth. Can I have Christmas teethies?
Like we talked about before, for a cat to be totally black, it has to inherit the recessive gene from both of its parents.